In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a business website on Google Sites, fast and easy. We all know that having a strong online presence is crucial for any business, and a well-crafted website is the foundation of this. So let's dive into how we can quickly set up a professional-looking site using Google Sites. First, you'll need to head over to Google. In the search bar, type Google Sites and press Enter. The very first link that appears is the one you'll want to click. This will take you directly to Google Sites, a convenient platform provided by Google that allows users to build websites with ease. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, you'll notice a clean, streamlined interface designed to keep things simple and user-friendly. Next, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll see a plus icon. You'll want to click on this to open up a blank page. This blank page will serve as the starting point for your website. Here you have the freedom to let your creativity flow, as it's the canvas for your business's online identity. Now it's time to give your site a name. On the top left corner, you'll see where you can input your site's name. This should be your business name, so it's clear and recognizable. This step ensures that your brand is consistently represented across the web and adds an element of professionalism to your site. Moving on to the page title, click where it says Your Page Title and enter a suitable title for your homepage. This might be your business's tagline, a key service, or anything that captures the essence of your enterprise at a glance. Now let's structure your site by planning out essential business pages. On the right menu, click on Pages, then click the plus sign to add a new page. Start by creating a home page with an overview of your business, a catchy tagline, and a brief list of key services. Next, you'll want an About Us page to share your company's story, mission, and introduce your team. Then, create a Services or Products page to list and describe what you offer, using eye-catching images for extra appeal. To build trust with your visitors, consider adding a Testimonials or Clients page. Here, showcase customer reviews or logos of clients you've worked with. This social proof can greatly enhance your credibility. Finally, a contact page is essential. Include a contact form, phone number, address, map, and links to your social media profiles, making it easy for potential clients to reach out to you. After you've organized your pages, you can further personalize your site by customizing the theme. Click on the Theme option to change the color scheme and text style to match your brand's look. This step adds a personal touch and ensures that your site is unique to your business. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to publish your site. Just click on the Publish button at the top right, and your business website will be live and ready for the world to see. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to create a polished business website using Google Sites. Remember, having a well-designed website can significantly influence your business's success. So take your time to ensure each element reflects your brand positively.